Hey guys, and welcome to Drawing Dragons Part 3. I'm so excited as this is where we are going to explore color and shading, which will bring our dragon designs to life. You can use whatever materials you like and add color, but I'm going to be focusing on flat color, so a single color for each section. This approach works really well with pencils, markers, or digital painting, which is what I'm using. The process of adding colour in this way is pretty straightforward, but what's important is considering what colours to add. Think about the personality of your dragon. Are they hot and fiery, shy and friendly, or really energetic? Where do they live? And what do they do? For this dragon, I wanted it to live in a swampy forest area. A dragon who likes to hide and camouflage in the plants and undergrowth, and maybe glides low over the water catching fish. So I had a look at some of the photos of swamps and marshes and chose a green colour with some lime green and aqua blue highlights. For my second dragon, which you will see soon, I chose a fiery personality, a dragon who is very fierce, perhaps a warrior, and lives on a sandy and rocky desert. So I chose a yellow and red colour palette. So then we're going to move on to shading. Now this can be done before or after the colour, and I'll show you both. So I'm using a blue to add shadow, but you can use any colour. So you could use a dark brown or a purple or a green. Just have a play and see what feels right. So adding light and darkness is really important to giving life to our drawings. It gives us an idea of the mood and the form and helps make our creatures really jump off the page. So when approaching shadows, think about your creature as if it was real, 3D, and you were shining a light on it. So the part that is closest to the light will be brighter, and the part furthest from the light will be darker. Likewise, if something is in front of something else, the object behind will be in shadow. So on my dragon, I have the light shining from above and to the front. So the belly of the dragon and the back of the tail, arms and legs are all in shadow. But you can also play with this. What if the light was coming from behind or coming up from the ground? You can have a lot of fun playing with this. So have a go! Design more dragons and other amazing creatures, and I will see you guys next time.